In this video, you will see how to use the double-click keyword in Avo Assure to automate the double-clicking on an element when automating SAP processes. Start by clicking the plus icon on the top pane of Design Test Step screen to add a new step to the selected test step node. For this example, choose the creatorole_btn from the drop-down as the element name, and double-click as the keyword to perform the double-click action on the selected element. Once done, save the designed test step. To debug the test step added, click Debug, and click Debug again from the pop-up to debug the selected test step. Once you do, it will debug the designed test step successfully, and you will see the Create Role option on the SAP homepage being double-clicked.